Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Techie. If you forgot your TikTok password or just want to update it for better security, doing it from your computer is easy and quick. In this video, I'll show you how to change your TikTok password from the web version of TikTok step by step. First, open your browser and go to tiktok.com. Click Login at the top right corner if you're not signed in yet. Use your current method like email, phone, or username to log in. Once you're in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. Now click on Account from the sidebar. You'll see an option called Password. Click the little pencil icon next to it. TikTok will ask you to enter your current password and then your new password. Make sure your new password is strong. Use a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and maybe a special character. Re-enter the new password to confirm and then click Save. That's it. Your TikTok password has now been updated. Just remember to save it somewhere safe or use a password manager. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel How to Fix Techie and press the bell icon so you never miss any update.